Today I will show you how to get Amanda the Adventurer on mobile. So let's begin the video. Here first I opened my Play Store app. Once I logged into my Play Store app, here I will search Amanda the Adventurer. After that I will click on the Amanda the Adventurer mobile from the bottom. Now I will click on the install button to install the app. But if this doesn't support your country, you have to go back to your main menu of the Play Store. Then here in the search bar I will type in VPN Ultra. After that you have to install this VPN on your mobile device. Now install this app, and once you install the app, now connect any server. After that again log in to your Play Store and search for the game again. Now your game will be downloaded. Another way to download this app in your mobile phone is you have to go to your Chrome browser, and once you have opened your Chrome browser, then here in the search bar you have to type in Amanda the Adventurer APK Pure. After that hit on the enter button, and now from search you have to click on the very first link at the top. Then it will redirect you to this website. Here you have to click on the download APK version. Then at this page you have to again click on the download option at the top. Now click on the download anyway button. Once you click on it, now your app will be downloaded. Once the app has been downloaded, now you have to install it in order to play it. So this is how you can get Amanda the Adventurer on mobile.